Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming that your carrier plan and SIM support 5G. Without that, the phone can't use the bands. Once done, update iOS to the latest version so bands and bug fixes are current. Now open Settings, tap Cellular, and enter Cellular Data Options. This is where you make the change. You're acting on working prerequisites, not theory. Check Plan, update iOS, then tap through to Cellular Data Options to access 5G settings. Inside Cellular Data Options, tap Voice and Data and choose between 5G Auto for battery-friendly use or 5G On to force maximum speed. Pick based on whether you prioritize battery life or peak throughput. Then set Data Mode, standard for balanced use, allow more data for higher quality streaming and faster uploads. If you don't see expected behavior, use Network Selection to briefly switch to manual and then automatic to force a re-register with the network, which often resolves band assignment. Finish by verifying the 5G icon in the status bar and run a speed test to confirm faster throughput. That tells you the change worked. If you still see LTE, restart the iPhone or toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to force reconnection. If issues persist, reset network settings to clear old profiles, which often fixes provisioning glitches. Make sure you know Wi-Fi passwords first. As a final step, contact your carrier to confirm your line is provisioned for specific 5G bands.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.